Hey there guys, my name is Marcus, and in this video I'm going to present you what is the best eSIM in USA and also how you can actually buy eSIM in America. So the first thing that you can get is a Maya Mobile provider. Maya Mobile is an eSIM provider that I'm personally using, and I'm going to share with you how does it work, what is the coverage and all of that. So when I come here to Maya Mobile and I would click Travel eSIM, here I'm going to have USA Plus. I will click on it. And now you're going to have option to have 5 days of data, 10 days of data, 15 days, or even 30 days of data. So let's say that you want to go for 30 days to USA. And right here, you're going to have 10 gigabyte of data. And you're going to have 10 gigabytes right here, 21 USD. And you would press activate now. Here, you're going to have also like discount from me, 10%. You see right here. And then it's going to be even cheaper for you. So you can have the starting date, you can have the monthly plan, and you can have also like auto recharge. So you can have monthly plan, auto recharge on and off. So this is how it works, super simple. Two things before you would pay, I definitely recommend go to help and check the coverage. So click coverage here and check where you want to actually travel. So let's say you're going to be in New York, you want to be in Indiana, then you want to go to Kansas, and you actually see the coverage for the cities right here. So when you want to travel, check if there is a coverage for that city from Maya Mobile. So this is something I definitely recommend, because then you can be sure that, okay, it's going to work there. The second thing, check when you're going to click help, eSIM compatible phones, and check if your phone is here and if your phone is compatible with eSIM. This is like a really important thing too. Now, what I like to do also is that when I'm going to get, I would buy the eSIM, you're going to get a QR code to your email. What you have to do then is to scan the QR code and then activate the eSIM. I made a full tutorial down below in the description too, how we can activate the eSIM with Maya Mobile. So this is the first way how we can do it. The second way is using Airalo. So when I come here to Airalo and I'm going to have, I don't know, regional eSIM here, and you can have Latin America, North America right here, and you can have 1 gigabyte, 2 gigabyte, 3 gigabyte of data, let's say 10 gigabyte of data, which is pretty expensive. So I would try to even write here USA, and I'm going to click United States. So you're going to have the United States 1, 2, 3, 20 gigabyte, 10 gigabyte of data. So look at this, 10 gigabyte of data right here costs $26. You can have also discount also. And here, 10 gigabyte of data, it costs $21. So it's going to be cheaper, of course, with the discounts and everything. But here, $26. Here, it's $21 for the same amount of data. And now, important thing to compare is the network. So here, it's T-Mobile and Verizon. And here, it's T-Mobile and AT&T. They're both reliable. But this really depends, like, which one side you like more, because okay, Maya Mobile is even cheaper, you can check the coverage there, it doesn't matter which one you're gonna choose, they're both really good. But I wanted to present to you both of them. Important thing to know also is that they are only data plans. These are not for calling, these are not for sending SMS. So with the Airalo, the same process applies. You're gonna have the QR code that you have to scan, or you can activate it with the app. And that's how the whole process works for Maya Mobile and also Airalo. On both, you can have tutorials and everything down below in the description. Now, if you can have any questions, guys, let me down below in the comments, and have a great day and goodbye.